That's this.
More car parts. Oh my god. I don't know. I tell my son is the first guy I see buy a car that he do more fixing on the car than driving.
Alright, so today is the day where I'm going to be putting together like the bushings and the washers and all that for the shift linkage. I'm going to be taking the one I bought off of eBay and putting on the new parts. I have all the parts finally after a long wait, but I'm going to start it and you guys get to watch. Give me a few and I'll put you guys. So, we're about to start. Last time I was recording, but I wasn't really talking to you guys, and I was trying to get this thing in. It was a battle. I couldn't get it in. Mikey had to pull up and help me out with it. Finally got it in though. So, gonna start the process of putting the rest of this together in terms of what. This, that is this. So this white piece goes inside here. You put some lube in it, along with this. Sits in there. That's how it moves around. This is the old one. Old one was pretty disgusting looking. So I'm gonna switch everything out. So just to eliminate the possibility of any more issues. Differences in terms of the new shifter versus the old. You can see that. You see that they're facing off because of the when the bend is in the same direction. So these are definitely different, which means I might have to modify something, which is always annoying. So we'll see how it goes.
Bro.
What up?
Why don't you use real music in your videos? Just put a disclaimer note.
Copyright stuff.
Put a disclaimer notice.
What's a disclaimer?
In your comments you put disclaimer, I do not own copyrights to this song, yada yada yada, and you just put who really is the song by.
But you don't get paid.
It's not about getting paid. Yeah, because he put a disclaimer.
You only do giveaway videos when you
well,
need to get
YouTube
back
put a whole.
It's not a giveaway video.
I call them giveaway videos. You're not getting paid for it. It's just something.
YouTube put mad new songs on the thing. I don't know if you're gonna like them, but.
You got a point, man. You got a point.
Yeah, it's just see. You pause, man.
Yeah, that's a very long curvature. What's going on here? Why is it so long? I thought it would end like right here at least. And then the rest would be the knob.
Why are you touching it like that?
What? Yo, I like to touch his rod.
Whoa.
No.
First of all, you said that was your baby the other day, so.
That is my
That's
baby,
me.
but you know what I'm saying?
What? At the same time?
Boys over everything, right?
What? Nah.
Fighting for that.
Yeah.
Boys over everything?
Nah,
That's your boy over everything.
No.
That don't sound right.
Put Al.
Yeah.
So that's your boy over everything.
Actually, yeah, I'll put him before you too.
We've already established
It
that.
don't matter.
So,
Well, damn.
He fucks with you though. Trevor. He fucks with you hard. He said, yo, why don't you fight bro? I was like, he didn't want to come. He's watching the game.
Honestly, I did not want to leave my crib
Nah,
that day.
I hear you, bro. Like, he's watching the game. He's like, the game is on. And he want to go watch the
The
game.
thing about it was, the day before that, slaving out. And I'm like, yo, you see when I get home? Hey, shit get me out my bed. And I'm like, nah, I'm tired. Then I'm like, yo, I want to go because it sounds like it's lit, and I know the cars is out there. And I
see my snaps?
I seen your snap, and I seen somebody else. It's the fluff.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I was watching that, and I'm like, yo, this is too much fun, man.
going to the city?
Huh? Yeah, when they were driving and shit, and then the evils running beside each other.
My nigga, that was the scariest time of my life. That was the only time I actually pushed the car. Maybe.
Yeah, I found it.
What?
And you don't remember the thing was missing?
I keep forgetting I gave you
I'm
the
like, yo,
cipher.
I have to hunt it down and find it because that's like messed up for me.
Weren't you looking for that
Misplaced
the other day too?
I was.
Probably was. I tried to give it to
I was-
the other
And
day.
you know what his excuse? Why do you move everything?
I started complaining. I'm like, yo, I gotta do 50 for this shit. What the fuck? I started blacking, bro. I was like, why the fuck? And then I sat down and calmed down. And then I realized, I was like, yo, bro, got this shit.
I showed it to you, Richard.
Yeah, you did.
Babe, I
This
love
is
you.
before you showed it to me. Before you showed it to me, I was like, oh shit. Yeah, I needed it for a quick little fix, little bullshit.
I love you, babe. You're awesome, babe.
I forgot I had this shit. The only reason why I kinda like this shit, I could just connect any one of these bitches and screw it in.
Quick, easy shit.
Yeah. I definitely forgot I had this shit in my mind.
Look, he regrets it now.
No, I don't.
You still have it, bro.
There's no
whatever
no-
you're ready. Cause I remember before I didn't have my toolkit, I was just like, yo, this is saving my life
I
right
just
now.
need the extenders for my job. That's it. I don't need anything else. That's small
I gotta
extenders.
tighten
not the big
this.
one. That's why I've been using it because it's the small ratchet. It's not really. It's meant for shit like this.
Listen to that. Macaroni and
It smells like pussy. That's a good pussy smell. But it sounds like. What was it?
Hey, mom.
Do it again. Shh.
That's what good pussy sounds like.
It sounds moist.
Who said that? When your brother said that?
No.
It's an actual video on YouTube.
I'm gonna look. It's the funniest shit.
I want to know. I don't even know
Push it
which way.
between.
Open the door. What you knocking like that for?
Hello, people.
Hi, mommy.
Hello, mother.
Wait a minute. You still alive?
Somehow, I locked her in the basement.
Oh, man, how's everything? I'm just coming home. We had a long day. Report card night.
Report card night.
What's up, Al? I'm so tired.
Listen, I hear you. I just gotta work myself.
What's good?
You got me food?
Wait a minute now. I'm coming home tired and worn out. You should cook dinner with
Yes.
me.
My hands are black. Yeah,
There's gloves upstairs.
Oh, what a day. From 7, to 7:30. Midday and afternoon session for the parents.
Oh my god.
I'm just gonna drink some broth and go straight to bed.
Exactly.
Back to work tomorrow. Those people should have it on a Friday.
Yes.
So we just,
yes.
chill out for the weekend. No, America is not like that.
They're backwards.
Oh my
do the same thing
God.
next week.
Next week. It's tough, man. It's tough. It's tough.
It's
So
unnecessary.
anyway, so what's this now? More.
That's this.
More car parts.
colon.
Oh my God. I don't know. I tell my son he's the first guy I see buy a car that he do more fixing on the car than driving. Oh my God. That's it with you too?
No. Yes or no, right?
I think you're the same thing, you know.
Yes. I try to put more driving, but then I end
my
up putting more
goodness.
money into the car.
God, I really can't. I'm gonna start charging him rent because the amount of money spent on this car can pay more than rent. I tell you.
Both of them.
This is like $2.
Really now, really?
Honda Punch.
Really now, really?
Exactly. Tell me.
Oh, really? I know you're not letting down your friend, you know. I know.
That's really.
Anyway, nice seeing you, man. And it's warming up, so we're gonna have barbecues this year. Not one.
God.
We won't have a lot of barbecues
Yes.
this year, man. We're gonna enjoy the sun. This
Really?
week coming too long.
Ma, you gotta bring me some new females, right?
No.
That's it.
No female.
That's it.
Oh Lord. Hey, so everything okay with the job and
Yeah,
you look like you're slimming down. You're working out and everything.
kind of.
Yeah.
No, this
It's
is
your
sister.
sister.
Oh, wow, man. You the one that's home.
I thought you had it.
You gotta direct.
Anyway, let me leave you guys. And Junior, when you do go buy food, you remember your mom. You order something for mom.
Remember the boss. The boss.
Take care, Al.
Alright,
Right.
Bye, mommy.
Okay.
Just change the bush.
Junior, want me to close the door?
Don't matter. Alright, so new pieces inside, new pieces under. The washers are back on, so everything's looking nice and smooth now. Feel me? Now I just gotta get the bottom end sawed so I can put on that other
Hold
piece.
the other one. Oh yeah, that's definitely slippery.
Yeah. Now the key is just that piece connected to the transit.
This is what's gonna be a problem.
Yeah. This is
That's
the-
that's what's gonna stabilize it from left to right.
So, all good news. Then I put this in. Yo, this shit?
Press fitted.
Nigga, I couldn't get it in myself. Nigga, Mike had to come. I'm like, yeah, you that's why.
I know you here.
For real. That's why you so damn strong, my nigga. I can't do that.